Every 4th of July, Americans go out at night with their friends and their family and look to the skies in awe and watch fireworks. It's one of my favorite things to do, as it probably is one of yours. But in recent years, I've noticed a new trend: less and less fireworks, more and more drone shows. And in a lot of ways, these drones are amazing and also awe-inspiring for different reasons. Drone shows, I especially like them when they're combined with fireworks and music. Legoland has a really amazing display. A lot of theme parks do. They're just amazing. Anyway, when you go out and enjoy this time with your friends and family here over the next hours, I just wanted to share some interesting statistics about drone shows, because I think that there are some things that kind of shocked me and surprised me when it comes to these drone light shows. So first off, the global drone light show market is expected to grow from $2.1 billion in 2024. It's expected to grow to $6.1 billion by 2033, 4x increase. So guys, if you haven't seen a drone show, there's going to be more and more of them coming. In 2018, there were fewer than 1,100 drone shows, while in 2023, there were more than 4,500. More and more drone shows are coming. And in North America especially, we're seeing more of them. This accounted for 38% of the global market of drone light shows. And there are some advantages. There's reduced wildfire risk. There's lower noise for veterans, pets, wildlife, no smoke, no falling embers. There's reusable hardware instead of these one-time explosives. There, you have the ability to display animations, logos. You can tell stories with 3D. You can even use QR codes, which is insane that you can do. I haven't seen a QR code yet. But one of the things that I was kind of surprised by, considering the fact that drone shows are reusable, drone shows are not necessarily less expensive. A typical firework display for a 20-minute municipal display is about $20,000 to $30,000, and a drone show is going to average about $20,000 to $40,000. So I thought that was really fascinating. That, because for me, I would think, well, it's probably cheaper just to pay a drone company to come out. Not necessarily. I thought that was interesting. Anyway, guys, happy 4th of July. Wanted to check in, show y'all some love, enjoy the time with your family, make it count, barbecue, do what you gotta do. And if you're outside the country, I love you guys too. You definitely, if you've never been to the United States for the 4th of July, it is an amazing experience. Don't bring your dogs though, because fireworks are loud. We have a lot of fireworks. In any event, guys, I know the world seems crazy right now, but don't let them tear us apart. There's a lot of good opportunity out there, and get out and touch grass. All right, happy 4th, boys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.